Hello, I'm Attorney Haskell here at my office at 16 Pine Street in Lowell, Massachusetts. And although I've been practicing law now for 34 years, I still get a little bit sad when clients say to me, gee, I wish I had known that I could have brought a case when I was hit by an uninsured driver, or I wish I had known that I could have brought a case when I was hit by a hit-and-run motorist. This can be done, and this can be done quite easily, actually. Here in Massachusetts, you are required by law to have $20,000 per person, $40,000 per accident of what we call uninsured motorist coverage. And many people buy more, and you can buy a lot more if you choose. The nice thing about uninsured motorist coverage is that your insurance company basically becomes the insurance company for the car that hit you, or even the car that hit and ran when there's no insurance policy out there to cover you. Now, a lot of people are concerned that that will cause their insurance rates to go up. It will not. Here in Massachusetts, the only way that you can have your insurance premiums go up because you were involved in an accident is if you were more than 50% at fault. So if you're making a claim, you obviously weren't more than 50% at fault, and so your insurance will not go up. Now, this is something you insure yourself for, and this is something that causes a fair amount of confusion. Imagine, for the sake of conversation, you're a passenger in my car, and we are hit by an uninsured motorist, and it is 100% that motorist's fault. Now, I would make a claim against my insurance for the uninsured motorist coverage. You would make a claim against your car insurance for the uninsured motorist coverage. And the reason for that is very simple. Imagine that I have $20,000 in coverage, but you have $1 million. Well, you paid for $1 million of coverage, you get the $1 million. Just because I only got 20, why should you suffer? And that's the way that works. But again, your insurance will not go up. In fact, if you have no car, but you live with, your mother or with your child, and they have a car, believe it or not, you'd actually make a claim against their insurance. And although they might react funny, their insurance will not go up. So even though the car that hits you is uninsured, even though you cannot identify the car that hit you because it was a hit and run, you can still recover for your injury. I'm Attorney Haskell, and I look forward to helping you in any way that I can in a time of need. So until then, be safe and be strong, and I look forward to meeting with you should you ever need me. Thank you.